Okay, today went really good. I was testing retests to previous breakout zones today. This model that I tried yesterday and today, I really do like it. And I seem to understand it. Really good today. It was a break-even day. I made 20 cents. But you know, the thing I'm learning here is entry matters. Yeah, I'm really excited about the progress I'm having. I decided to stop when I hit break even. So let me show you what I learned. My main trade idea was to reach this level here, which was the previous breakout. I wanted a retest of that before continuation higher. So I was looking for this trade, again, buy side taper over bought. Again, these are not reasons to enter the trade, but that is something I watch and just adds extra clarity. So this base held here on this candle, here on this candle, here on this candle. So when we got a 1 minute close below, I entered the trade looking for this setup. Now, when we broke below this level, we pushed down, we came back to the 9 and then we closed. But this 2 minute window, we held this base and this wick. So when we did that, I didn't like the strength of that. So I exited the trade. So this was a smaller trade. But if we go back to this, which was the move after that, we can see that if I would have held that, it would have been a worse entry than here and here, right? So really overbought on the 1 hour, on the 5 minute, and this is the 1 minute chart. So I was watching the 2 minute chart for my trade entry and exit, and I had a 2 minute confirmation that I could not break this shoulder. So I entered the trade on the rejection of this close on the 1 minute, and we had pushed down and immediately wicked up, and I'm like, oh great, we're going back up. That was my gut feeling, but I wanted to wait for the trade to hit my stop loss before I got out, because if I'm just entering and exiting willy-nilly all the time, that's not a good way to learn. So the next candle pushed up, rejected off this line here, and then still closed below the 9 EMA, but it wicked up again. So now this 2 minute candle here would confirm that we're holding this level, right? So that would have been a good time to exit, but that would have been break even. That's fine. But my stop loss was going to be a 1 minute hold above this held high, right? And that's what happened here. So this trade right here was the reason why my day was a break-even day. Okay, so my original intent for this trade was to short to the area of previous breakout. So you can see it's going that direction. I got scared out of the trade early, so you'll see that I end up getting out of the trade right about right here because of the wick up. Now, I don't know why I did that. When trades go my way, and they go my way in a big way, I get scared out of wicks up. So my stop loss was my stop loss. It should have never changed. But anyways, it hit full TP, and yeah, so we're gonna have to work on that. But this trade went good.